If you're new to the world of meal prepping, or you're just looking for something really easy to make, then check out this viral TikTok recipe for chicken rice. It can be called lots of different things, like the Costco scallion chicken rice or just scallion rice, but the concept is all the same. What you'll need is one rotisserie chicken, your choice of flavors, some rice, and some greens. I'm using cilantro and green onions or scallions. Now I have a rice cooker, but I used mint rice to show you how easy this would be without any cooking. I also wanted to count the macros, so this made it a lot easier. Now just dump the rice into the bag the chicken came in, and don't worry if there's some juice at the bottom, that just makes it better. For this version of the recipe, I'm using just the 2 chicken breasts, and I took the skin off and removed all the bones. I also chopped up my herbs and added those as well. You can, of course, use the whole chicken and a lot more rice, but I'm going for meal prepping and I wanted to keep this recipe kind of on the small side. For my seasoning, I'm using a generous drizzle of sriracha and some tamari soy sauce. You could also add things like fried onions, fried garlic, or chili crisp. All of that would go really well with these flavors. Once you have all of your ingredients in the bag, shut the top and just rough it up a bit. You can just squeeze it through the bag, you can toss it in the air, do whatever you want. The idea is to break up the chicken pieces into smaller pieces and to mix all of your ingredients together. I was hoping to end up with 3 portions of this dish. I started out with 380 grams of chicken, I measured it all out first, 2 cups of the rice, and it made 3 portions beautifully. I entered all of this into a recipe analyzer, including the soy sauce. I left out the hot sauce because I didn't measure that. And this is what I ended up with. Each portion comes out to 343 calories with 4.8 grams of fat, 185 milligrams of sodium, give or take, and 29 grams of carbs. If you start off with about as much chicken as I did, then each portion will have 42 grams of protein. That's really good. You could easily increase that by adding some scrambled egg white, some chopped up tofu, or maybe even some edamame. Come to think of it, adding vegetables would be really good too. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think about this recipe. I'd love to hear from you.